said it, that we're going to print the country slowly into blue. And we accepted our brothers from all over the corner of the country. We are one people. It's a contest. It'll come to an end. Therefore, let us not start any fight with anybody else in the country.
And Matek didn't emphasize that it has been an intensive 4-month campaign for the coalition. What was the scenario like in Kisii County?
Of course, you have seen the results. They explain themselves, how things happened in Kisii, and I'm happy that indeed we had put a worth fight before my opponents that we had out of all of them, and the results themselves showed the fight that we had. But more importantly is that we are delivering the mandate that will be given by our people, all that we have been shown that is going to happen in Kisii County as the governor, the second governor of Kisii myself.
Finally, this is your first take as a governor for not only Kisii County, but now you hold a very massive office right from Dagoretti in Nairobi.